Hello everyone, welcome to AAPS tutorial. This is Tulsi and today we are going to talk about the image tag in HTML. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The image tag creates holding space for the referenced image. The image with various extensions such as JPG, JPEG, GIF, PNG, SVG, and BMP. The image tag has two required attributes. One is src, specifies the path to the image. The second one is alt, specifies an alternate text for the image if the image for some reasons cannot be displayed. Also, always specify the width and height of an image. If width and height are not specified, the page might flicker while the image loads. An image is loaded by sending the HTTP request in the browser. The images can be edited by default in MS Paint, but these changes can affect the other aspects of image as well. The size of the local image files can be changed permanently by using an editor by using the height and width attributes of image tag. A Favicon images is displayed to the left of the page title in the browser tab. To add a favicon to your website, either save your favicon image to the root directory of your web server or create a folder in the root directory called images and save your favicon image in this folder. A common name for a favicon image is favicon.ico. The syntax for adding favicon is shown in the following slide. The required alt attributes specifies an alternate text for an image. If the image cannot be displayed, the alt attribute provide alternate information for an image. If a user for some reason cannot view it, it also adds semantic meaning to the search engines and can be empty in case of the decorative images. Finally, I would like to conclude with the following points. An image is loaded by sending an HTTP request. The image can be edited by default in MS Paint. The local image file can be changed permanently by using an editor. The height and width attributes of image tag can be used to adjust the size of images. Hope you liked the video and learned something new today. Thank you. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with our recent videos.